like a Japanese ninja. So I didn't see any snakes under there. Praise the Lord. Welcome back to Shalom Meadows, or welcome to Shalom Meadows, and to the series of flipping this office trailer building from the 1960s, 70s into our home. Today, the plan is, and I'm going to say the plan is because I'm scared, I ain't going to lie, is to get underneath the house. A lot of spiders, you know, it's been a little bit of raining, so hopefully no snakes. We have black widows around here, you know, so we're going to get back to the bathroom and try to put the fixture up. And in the bathroom, we're going to try to put the fans back up. The bathroom fans, you know, the blowing fans, not a whirlwind fan, whatever you want to call it. And the light fixture, we're going to try to get that in. We bought 3 different kinds of screws, so hopefully one of them fits. So the last time that we were in the bathroom, we actually tested the water. It worked, but there was a leak still. And it was underneath. That's why I got to go underneath the house to figure out if I can just put the pipes together, throw a little tape, maybe get a new pipe, or glue it together. I mean, you know, hey, we're from the South. If you could bring duct tape can do just about anything. Maybe Gorilla Tape, but I was growing up on duct tape. So, but yeah, that's some of the plans today. And then probably as well, if you watched previous video, if not, consider so. Go back. Hey, even check out at Shalom Meadows on TikTok, and you know, go watch from the first video. I mean, I know it's a little wacky, but watch from the first video on this channel all the way up to now, and you'll see where we're at, and then you'll see where we're going. You know, but like I said, we're turning this into our home. But if we have time today, like from the previous video, I was saying we might, you know, sand down that little area, big area that I mudded and taped, and get the rest of the screws. Like I said, that's the plan. Sometimes plans get interrupted. Sometimes you get a little scared. So, come along and hope you enjoy. This TikTok or whatever died the other week. Fell in a volcano.
Baby, you're not getting in a volcano. You're getting under the house.
I can't get in.
Oh, look at there.
Yeah, that. I ain't getting under there. That's a new bullet. This is not our mess. This has been here since we bought the place. This is what the people left behind, and like I said, I don't want to get under there, so but I'm going to have to figure out the water situation because we don't have in the budget to hire anybody. Oh, wait a minute, we did, and guess what? It's free. It's me. Yippee-doo-dah-day. Now, y'all, I used to get underneath the house when I was little, but that was different. Not this house, of course, the house I grew up in. But back then, when you're small, you don't really think about stuff like that.
When you become adults, you get smarter.
Yeah, you try to stay away from a bunch of spiders.
Or whatever else.
No, that's a bad one.
A used one? Why are you acting like that about it?
There's a bunch of spiders under here. There's boxes under here too.
Yeah, I know, that's what I was looking at.
And you know the stuff that was our ceiling?
Yeah.
That's our floor. Holy crap.
What?
The family of spiders under here.
I don't know if I'd call it family. Well, maybe. If they had babies. So I can tell you where the leak is.
Oh, God. The same kind of spiders that are in the house. Yeah.
Just throw bomb in there before we move in.
I want to.
You're almost there.
It hurts.
You can do it.
Oh. I don't see anything.
Babe, you have to actually go over there.
I don't see anything.
You have to go over there.
I don't want to go over there.
but our little things or whatever look good.
What?
I found the problem.
You did?
Oh, Lord.
Squatting, right?
Yeah, golly. And trying to do a crab walk. That wasn't a crab walk walking backwards.
Yeah.
Where's the stuff? We got it over here?
The purple stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Well, that's good.
Piping down there is completely off.
It is just unattached.
Unattached, yeah.
Okay, so
So when they cut the water on, the reason why it was so flooded the last time we looked is because it was literally just coming out of just a straight pipe.
Yeah.
No, there was like, as far as I know, that's what it looked like. So I got to build up the courage. I know I'm a bearded man. I look like a woolly booger. Probably and a big man. And I mean fat. But
Fat.
I'm scared of little tiny spiders. I ain't kidding you. I don't know why I'm so scared of them, but I am. And snakes. I didn't see any snakes under there. Praise the Lord. But dang them spiders, boy. Yeah. Y'all, like I said, I think we found out the issue under there. It was like where a complete, pipe was like just, it looked like they, like I said earlier about duct tape, it looked like they had duct taped it or electrical taped the pipes together instead of putting, hot to medium hot, cool, whatever, PVC cement. And I don't know, it didn't even look like there was any PVC cement on it. You gotta put it on the inside of one pipe, on the pipe, hold it together for, maybe 30 seconds, let go, get about 30 minutes, and then test it. But unfortunately, the one we have dried up. So probably got too hot in the house. Unfortunately, that means we're going to have to buy more. We probably could melt it, but guess what? Flammable. Don't want to catch on fire. So, yeah, like I said, we figured out what that was. So we're going to have to put in our budget to get some more. And I have to crawl back under. I even put my gloves on. I was about to get even more brave and just, instead of squatting, I was just going to crawl under there. And so we could test the waters. That's a saying, ain't it? Let's go test the waters. If you've noticed in a bunch of videos prior, we have a lot of leakages problems. Leakages. Yeah, so now we're going to get back in the house and do the other stuff we had planned. Hopefully saying we'll be done with this place, way sooner. But, it's hard to make a deadline, because things happen. So always take that in consideration and say my plan is. Let's get the other stuff done.
Guys, here we're just cleaning these fans because they're super dusty where the previous owners haven't, dusted them probably ever. So we have two of them, two fans. Make sure you get all.
Drop down in the comments how many of y'all take them out and clean them, because I've never seen it done in my life.
But you're supposed to.
I have a very cleanly wife, so. Completed the whole bathroom yet, because as you've seen, we gotta fix that pipe underneath first.
Yeah, we took a hiatus from the bathroom for a minute. We're back for just to wrap things up.
Well, right now.
For now.
While we can wrap up, because
we
can't get that done until we get that fixed.
Mm-hmm.
Clean. It's not good.
No. So that's what's wrong with power. Well, that's annoying, guys. It's not working.
Just like everything else. Bum, bum, bum. Unless this ain't Mariglow.
didn't work either.
Where's the light switch for the
So.
battery? I don't know why, but neither one of those worked before we started touching everything. That might be why.
I don't remember.
Before we started touching everything, my wife said that somebody else cut it on, and one, maybe both worked, but I did put them in. So hey, that might not work because I did it.
Or it's just been so long.
Or it's just been so long, then they just don't work
Maybe
anymore.
the spider webs and dust really was what made it work, and I got rid of the dust and spider webs, and now it doesn't work.
Hey, you know how things work. They work wacky. So, I mean, they haven't been cleaned so long, it might have still been running off the same energy from 50 years ago. I might end up naming this video Plans Interrupted, because I just got interrupted by a vehicle. No, because, again, something else. We got the wrong screws. So, we got to get the right screws for the light fixture in the bathroom. So, number one, the PVC cement's dried out, and we couldn't do that under the house. Number two, the fans, lights not working. Number three, the wrong screws. So hopefully the next thing we do today is not interrupted. So when we get back to the ceiling, I smell the bleach. Darn it. Unplug me again. Here.
Just
People don't.
It's not true. It's not true. It's like those old vacuums. You gotta keep unplugging from the wall whenever you. Yeah, that. What?
I got this on my skin. Oh my gosh. First aid treatment. It swallowed. Did I swallow any? Ah! I'll die of chemicals. Chemicalation. I made that word up. It means my cells are telling my organs, don't strangle yourself to death. The chemicals are coming for you. And the white blood cells are saying, I got your back, homie. Here's the swords. Like a Japanese ninja. Can't even think of the words anymore. Japanese ninja. What is it called? Oh, what are they? Praying mantises. This is gonna end up falling on. Alright, y'all, that does it for this Wednesday's video. Like I said in the beginning of the video, you know, our plans, you know, don't, or in the middle of the video, you know, what we plan to do. A lot of the plans got altered today. So, like I said, you know, be careful on your planning. Make sure you check everything first or whatever you need to do. And don't forget to check us out on Mondays as well as Wednesdays. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click that notification bell so you'll know when the videos are coming up. Give us a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm. Shalom, y'all.